Developing news tonight at the State House just within the last hour. The State House of Representatives approving a proposal to limit vaccine mandates by private employers. Good evening. Thanks for joining us live at 5. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Fanchon Singer. So glad you're with us. Just breaking just within the last hour, State House reporter Kristen Eskow has been working this. She's been following the arguments all day. She has a reaction to this bill that is now on its way to the Senate.
The bill passed the Indiana House on a 57-35 vote. It now heads to the Senate, but several leaders of the medical and business communities say they plan to continue their opposition to this bill as it's written right now. The House bill to limit vaccine mandates has drawn scrutiny from the business and medical communities since it was first discussed in November.
Vaccination, which is very easy to do, very available, and can be done almost anywhere in the state, is the most cost-effective measure we have.
And there are still concerns about the potential impact of this measure.
This is not the time to make it more difficult for employers to determine their vaccination policy.
The bill would require private employers who mandate the COVID-19 vaccine to allow employees to opt out if they agree to weekly testing. Employers would have to cover the cost of testing, though they can apply for partial reimbursement from the state. It would also allow employees whose exemptions are denied to receive unemployment benefits. Last week, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down a federal vaccine mandate for companies with 100 or more employees. So that means the bill would have a bigger impact in Indiana if it becomes law.
It will have broad implications for the state and, will affect the sweeping majority of Indiana employers.
Attorney Grayson Harbor says employees at facilities that accept Medicare and Medicaid would still have to follow the federal mandate since the vaccine requirement for those healthcare workers was upheld.
The Indiana law would likely be preempted by federal law in that case.
Meanwhile, the Indiana Senate is working on its own bill that would meet the governor's requirements to end the public health emergency, but not include any of the provisions that would limit vaccine mandates. At the State House, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.